Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're going to do another unboxing chainsaw review. There's 4 of these I ordered on Prime Days that was marked way down, so it's kind of a mini series. This is one of 4. I don't know what particular order I'm going to release them, but I don't know which one this is. It's just in a cardboard box, so we'll find out. So, let's see what we got. Obviously, thumbnail will give it away, but I don't know at this moment. So, but I ordered 2 big saws and 2 small ones, long saws. Okay, we got a box in a box. Got down and dirty. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the FarmMac. The f660 clone. With a bar, full wrap. And this is the upgraded Neotech is what this was. This is their high-end version. This awesome toolkit you get with Neotech, which is just phenomenal. I've had a few of them. And then the big boy. Alright. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, there's that. And the big handle and a Mickey Mouse scabbard. And that's it. So, awesome. Alright. And of course comes with the skid plate and all that, which I'll have to bolt up. But, I'm excited. So, I ordered 2 big saws and 2 small saws for some lumber, so I'd have some backups in the wood yard. I only got 1 big saw and 1 little one, and I got help, so this is saws for them to run too. So anyways, get this off. But I do have a Neotech already, and this is the like a high-end version that they're claiming. It's supposed to be built with better parts and stuff. But the f660 clone I got from Neotech, so far I've had it about 8 months, and I use it about almost, just all the time, almost daily, and I have had no problems with it. I have loved it, so hopefully this one is better because it's supposed to be better. So anyway, I will get that put together off camera because it'll be a boring video. There's not much to it. And when I fill it up, we'll do a first start and a run in the woods and go cut a little bit of wood, and we'll see how it does. So stay tuned. I'll see you here in just a second. Hey everybody, I'm back. So, gassed and filled up. So, count, put the number below. How many times does it take to start? First run here, let's see. Oh, got a pop. So, put the number below. How many times does it take to start? I didn't even count it. I just cranked it. Alright, I'm going to go put a bar on this. See you in the woods, and we'll go cut a couple pieces of wood. I got some pieces out there. So I'll see you in a bit. We'll go cut with it. See how it does. So, hang on. Alright, everybody. I'm out of stuff to cut, so I'm going to follow that big white oak right there. All that stuff on the ground's already cut 16-inch lengths, so we'll do a tree falling video with this today, I guess, and test it out. So, hang on. Awesome. Woohoo. It's down. I can cut that thing up now. So we got her. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I got to cut down. Yeah. Let me get this off for a minute. Whew. All right, folks. Glad that's over with. Got a little scary there about the time I had it. Wind picked up. Luckily, it quit real quick. So I had hold of it. I was ready to run. If you've seen that in the video. So anyways, it's done. So I'll get to work on this and I'll finish the video up. It's down, so I got another one to cut up. There was two trees together here and they grew together. I got one side, which is what that was, what was left of it, and then I got this side to work up with this big boy. So nice big old straight white oak. So I make a lot of good wood and looks like it's not real woolly. It'd be easy to work. So all right, that's all good. So anyway, I guess that's that. The farmmac doing pretty good so far, cut real good. I didn't even tune it, that was right out of the box. So felt like it was really close. I'm probably running it like that a while and not even mess with it. It idled good and it seemed like it was right there on that high side. Usually you gotta put a little more to them on the high RPM side up there, but hey, it felt good. So I'm gonna run it for a while before I tune it, but I'm pretty sure it'll work out because the regular Neotech has been awesome, and that's supposed to be a better version. So hopefully it is, we'll see. But anyways, leave me your thoughts on it, what you think about that. And so far I've been real happy with these MS660 clones, these big 92cc saws. So, and the Neotech, the farmmac will be I think good too, so you'll see it in the wood yard. So stay tuned for more of the shenanigans in the wood yard, tree falling, processing, working. I got a video of the processor coming up too, so we'll get it going on it and get the splitter and the conveyor all set up. So all right, so I guess that's it. Sorry if I'm out of wind. I'm kind of a little under the weather, a little puny. So, but got it done and got it down, and now I can let all the fun begin. So looking forward to it. Finally cooling off. So I'm gonna cut this video off. So let me your thoughts and what you think of these saws. So as always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.